Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Today we are going to see how to make egg bonda in different method. First, take 5 cooked eggs, cut it into 2 pieces like this. Separate the egg yolk and keep it in a plate. Heat a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add half finely chopped onion. Saute it until it translucent. Now add 4 crushed garlics into this. Saute it until the raw smell goes away. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper powder. Saute it until the raw spice smell goes away. Now add the separated egg yolk and mix it. Let it cool down for few minutes. Now for the bonda batter, let's add 1 cup of gram flour, 1/4 cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 pinches of hing powder. Mix it. Then add the water gradually. Bring the consistency like dough batter. Don't make it as watery consistency, otherwise it won't stick to the egg. Now, take the egg yolk masala and fill it back into the egg white. Now dip it in the batter and deep fry it in the hot oil. Keep it around 5 minutes to fry the bondas. Take it out once it is done. Now the spicy egg bonda is ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.